Hello and welcome to another video. Today I will present to you another Gainward. This time it will be a Pegasus 1660 Super 6 GB with GDDR6. It is a small form factor. It's not a low profile. It can go up to 2 slots. But before opening, here are some specs. And yeah, also the game drivers, you have to download them. I presume there will be no CD inside the box. Anything else can see over here? Basically not. Let's put this away. Here it is, the graphic card. And here it is. Looks rather bulky here on the top, but mostly it's because the fan it's also larger than other small. I think this one might be 92 millimeters. Looks that way. Still, the radiator it's rather large. It covers almost entire plate. It comes from here to here. From the GPU are coming these copper pipelines are 3 number as far as I see it over here. And on the top over here you have the power connector, 6-pin power connector, and also this one is connecting the fan. Let's turn it. It's a good thing that it has large capacitor because the fan it needs lesser time to cool them down. The graphic card also has a DVI over here, at HDMI and video port. On the bottom there is the 16-pin connector. If you have a case that it needs low profile GPUs, you cannot use this one. Even that the length of it is rather small, the height it's quite big. And I can also demonstrate to you with the other GPU later. In the box you still have this product certificate statement. So here it is. If I put the graphic card here, let me focus. You see that it's a little bit different over there. Let me put the camera closer. The graphic card should be like this, and we have a little bit of difference in length here. This fan over here it's 80 millimeter, and this one it's 92, so it's quite different. And if you want to compare it also with another low profile card, the 16, GTX 1650 low profile. Okay, put it over here. So the length it's quite the same. I can see it like this. Or with another card which is a 1650 Super. So these are the differences. Yeah. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.